Hello everyone, this is Kyle from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I'm going to show you a very quick video on how you can change the name of a SharePoint site and its URL. So it's to change the URL path of a SharePoint site. Now what you need to do is you need to go to the SharePoint Admin Center. So I'm just going to click the waffle here and select Admin. And then in the Admin Center you select Show All and you can go to the SharePoint Admin Center. And then we want to come to active sites and just go to the site that you want to rename the URL for. So say for example if I just find a test site here, so I've got a scripts test site here, so I'll just open that up. There we can see the site's called scripts test. So basically what you want to do is if you just select onto that site, so it opens up this new window here, and then as you can see here is the site address, and all you need to do is just select edit here, and you just want to rename it here. So if I just put this script test change URL, it'll check to make sure that that site's not already taken in your tenant. And if I just now select save here, I'll just select no to change the name, that'll change the URL of that site. So now if I just refresh this screen now, there you can see it's already updated and it's now put that new URL. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Thank you.